Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and having a great week or weekend, depending on what day you're watching this. I hope the light is alright because I've changed the editing software that I've used and I'm getting to grips with how to do it. The one I'm using now is a lot more complicated than the old one. The old one just kept crashing, so I had major problems with uploading. But anyway, hopefully I'm getting the hang of the lighting because it's not as user friendly. It's meant to be better and it costs a lot more, but you know, hey ho. Hopefully this isn't so dark and grim because I tried my best and the light just looked a little bit odd in the last video. But I have found a really good air fryer chicken thighs recipe that I wanted to just cook a whole meal, meat and veg in the Ninja, and I wanted to really give this a go. It's really relatively simple. It should be stuff that hopefully you have in the cupboard. And chicken thighs. Oh, I used to buy a pack of chicken thighs. They normally hold around 6 to 7, and this one actually holds at 8. Obviously, it's all by weight, so that there's a few quite small ones, but that's fine. They used to be £1.79, and I can't remember the exact price, but it's £2. It might be £2.79. It might come up here because when I edit, I'll check the actual price for the full pack. It's still a good budget option for meat, and I do love chicken thighs. It's such a great, but it's the best price. You know, chicken breasts are really expensive if you buy them fresh and all that kind of stuff. And they're tasty, especially with this type of coating that I'm going to be putting on them. And also we're going to be having green beans of them. I found a really good air fryer recipe that had green beans and bacon, and I really thought I had bacon in the fridge, and it turns out I don't. But I've done a good substitute. So come and have a look at the ingredients. Okay, so what we have is chicken thighs with the brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, pepper. I mean, the ingredients will come up here. And oil. This is actually oil from, I like to buy sun-dried tomatoes in a jar because I often use the sun-dried tomatoes in recipes, but I always use the oil in cooking, so that's actually saved up from that. Quite a useful way of, it's kind of, a useful way of using up, rather than getting rid of it, we use it to cook with. Green beans, and because the recipe I found online was for bacon, green beans and bacon cooked together in the air fryer. I thought I had bacon, but I don't. So I've gone for onion and sliced chorizos. And chorizos are really good because they're quite reasonably priced in Lidl. I don't know about anywhere else, but they're 22 slices for 99p. That's not bad. And I actually have lard because that's the cheapest oil. And I love lard for chips. So hopefully it will work well with cooking all of this together. So I'm going to mix these now and then coat the chicken and get that in the Ninja, because that's got to cook for at least half an hour roughly. I'm not too sure on the times, but we'll see how that goes. Everybody's air fryers are different, so with regards to timings, it's never really going to work saying that it takes this long or that long because everybody's air fryers are different. However, hopefully it takes 30 minutes. All right, let's get this mixed up and cook and get it coating on the chicken. So I'm just going to add the oil to the brown sugar and add the spices. I say spices, it's really paprika. That's the sort of most spiciest type. Nice. Well, I'm going to get the chicken thighs into a big bowl and start mixing it up and then getting it in the air fryer. So see you in a bit. Well, I'm just going to add this nice looking, lovely looking sauce. I'm just going to mix it in. Oh, I forgot to add, I have, I don't know if you call it dressed the chicken. You know, when you kind of cut the excess skin off. I mean, this probably would have been a good idea to let it sit for a bit, but we don't have time for that today. So if you do have time, if you try this, maybe let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. That'll probably improve its flavour, I reckon. Right, I'm going to wash my hands and I'll be back. So I'm going to place the chicken thighs in. There will be a lot of rotating and turning because obviously these are 8 chicken thighs in one basket. That's quite a lot, so I will definitely be moving these around, and I have left the crisper plate in. When I cook the green bean mixtures and etc., I've taken the crisper plate out for that. It smells really lovely, this coating. Oh, actually, in the recipe they said cook them first upside down. Good point. I'm glad I remembered that actually. So let's just quickly move them over. Yeah. Is that upside down? Doesn't look it. That's better. Right. Just eking out the sauce. Okay, I'm just going to air fry. 200 will do. 20 minutes, but I will check halfway because we're going to turn them around. So, and I will in about 10 minutes start frying the onion and the chorizo in here. See you in a bit. Right, let's check it. It's still just under 10 minutes. So, oh, that's fantastic. I tell you what, it absolutely smells delicious. I'll let it carry on because I'm going to put lard in this, the lard, to start the onions. Yeah, I'm just going to draw 2, air fry, just 180, just to for 5 minutes, just to preheat that lard, get it hot. Right, back in a tick. Okay, so that's the lard's melted. I'm going to add the onion. One-handed. And add the chorizo and stir and let that cook off for a bit before I add the green beans. In fact, I want to add the green beans well relatively soon. We'll be checking the chicken fries in a minute, so just let that cook. Ooh, oh, that smells good. Right, a little bit longer, a few more minutes, yeah, a few more minutes, till it hits 5, because then that's 15 minutes. And then I'm going to turn them over and add it to 10. So it's 15 minutes each side, I reckon. Okay, see you in a bit. So I've just added 5 minutes to the onions and chorizo, and they're coming along fine. I will be adding the green beans soon. They look fantastic, so I'm going to actually turn them. Get them in. I'm going to actually add 10 minutes. Oh, there we are. Yeah, let's add the green beans to this. There's quite a lot of them. Right, just get them in. And we're going to add in 10 minutes as well. Oh, 2, would help. And up the temperature to 90. Just, I don't know why, it just feels like the right thing to do. That's the other drawer finishing. I will probably add. I do want to turn these. I don't want to. Yeah, I want him to crisp up on the other side, so I'm going to move them about. I just need to clean my probe. Well, I'll do that after I've turned them out. So carry on cooking. Crispy, yeah, really crispy. Oh, sounds good. that's really good. I'm amazed. That's actually time frames. It's about 30 minutes roughly. Just a little bit longer. They're cooked. I just want the skin to be really crispy. So just jigging them about a bit. Okay, get them back in. Right, just gonna literally for 5 minutes. Let's see what's going on here. They look great, I really do. I had to drain them. I have stirred them quite a lot off camera because it's really pointless and boring. See, but I've stirred them a lot, and because they were frozen, there was quite a bit of liquid, and I drained that because we don't want the liquid. We don't want them cooking in their own. So we want to kind of effectively barbecue them, oven cook. But I'm going to add another 5 minutes as well to those. Ooh. Or just add 2 minutes. Ooh. Oh, come on. Right, there we go. So I'm going to be, this is going to be the last few minutes, and then I'm going to be serving up and doing a taste test. We're all hungry, this is our dinner, so we're really looking forward to this. So it's just the last few seconds for the chicken. I really want to do another temperature check to make sure it's, they look fantastic, and there's 8 in there. That is fantastic. Oh, turn it on. I have cleaned it. I'm just going to check them again. Oh, look at the temperature, that's brilliant. Lovely. All very hot, which is what I want. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. I'm just going to clean the probe and serve up. Just put them in there because I want to keep them hot. Just check these. All steamed you up. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. That's a lovely accompaniment. We actually have coleslaw to go with this as well, so let's keep them in there. I don't need to do any more minutes. They're ready. I'm going to serve up, and I'll be back for a taste test. There we are, 4 meals. Jack's is in this because I'm going to reheat it because he's gone to the gym, so he'll have his coleslaw when I've reheated it. But I'm really happy with that. 4 meals. All cooked in the Ninja, and the green beans with the chorizo look fantastic, and that would be great. In fact, potato wedges would really go well with this. Yeah, so let's have a closer look. Looks delicious. So I'm going to just go straight into the chicken. It's crunchy skin. That really is crunchy. Cool. Oh, that looks good. It smells lovely too. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's lovely. That's the crunch. Oh, and it's really juicy. I did there was a lot of liquid under the crisper plate, and I just poured a little bit onto the food. Oh yeah, I mean this would go well actually with potato fries. Right, let me just try a little bit of the chorizo, green bean and onions. Mmm. Oh yeah. I would always normally boil these, but that's really lovely with the chorizo. I mean, bacon would be great too, but oh, that's lovely. Well, thanks to everybody for watching. You're just editing issues still going on because I'm trying to figure out how to upload. Oh, it uploads and then doesn't, so I don't know what's going on, but I will find out and I will get to grips with it. Thanks so much for sticking with me while it's going on. And if you haven't headed over to Plot 25+1, please do. There'll be a link in the description. I need to get it monetized. It's only at 760 something subscribers. There is a giveaway going on at the moment. Head over there if you want to. Even just subscribe. You don't have to watch. I need to get to 1,000. If you could help me out, that would be really appreciated. You don't have to watch if you're not interested, but if you could subscribe, oh, that would be amazing. So thanks everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.